Hello there. Today I'd like to show you how I do Google Earth camera flights. So that's the installer version. You can download for free. First I try to check the settings about the detail level. So I prefer to have nothing shown beside of some terrain. I already imported a GPS track. And the next thing I want to do is, create a folder and call this simply marker. So next, I will play a little around about how I want to start my flight. So going from the overview world that you see where you are, and then make a deep dive into your day track or whatsoever. So therefore, I will add inside this folder my first marker. You can choose path, polygon, model, or whatsoever. Doesn't really matter. I use path and just call it marker 1. Once I've created this marker, I will use the right mouse button to open the context menu and choose snapshot view to remember this exact view. Next, I'm going into more details, so like this, and I create a new marker, call it maybe marker 2, doesn't really matter. And I remember also this view for this marker. Then I'm switching into very high detail level, maybe for the start point of your track. Let's do some playing around stuff. And I will create another marker, marker 3. And remember this view via snapshot view. So now I will go by double click to the initial view. Now I should check how the automatic camera fly looks like by double click from marker 1 to marker 2. Looks fine. Next, marker 3 into our maximum detail for the start point. Looks fine to me. It might happen that your track is not, or is outside the flight. So in case this happens, you need to tweak the view between them. So for example, changing the angle between 2 and 3 if the camera flight isn't shown. Yeah, I guess you get the point. So when recording, I'm usually choosing the view and compass only. And then I will use the tools built-in Movie Maker. I choose this resolution, frames per second, yeah, and this H 270, 64. Yes, I want to record, and you will see it quite slowly. But I will work around on this later by just increasing the video speed when embedding this into my video footage. And sometimes it helps to repeat those steps. So usually if you do the recording a second time, it will be somehow faster. So now it has been finished. Let's check on the final result. Yeah, that's basically it. So have a nice day. Bye.